Finally got all my bushings and ball joints in the car. The bushings were a pretty easy process. Took a lot of time getting everything on and off, but not a big deal at all. You don't need many special tools. A 33 millimeter socket for the rear axle. You will need, of course, a shop press, or a ball joint press also works. A big vise would work. I just couldn't get the whole piece in there to push the new bushing in. Anyway, I'll show some video here of how I got the old ones out and the new ones in. Really simple, man. Took probably about 25 hours though. It took a lot of time, but not a hard process. All the old bushings are out, time to start putting the new ones in. Everything's pretty simple. The whole front end is 2-piece. These are 1-piece in the rear. These aren't too bad. I can actually get them in my press. You gotta hold them. But this guy right here on the shock is a booger. After fighting it for way too long, I decided I'd put it in this. You know, it bulges out. It wants to push out. Put it in this, and then, you know, press it in here with actually the ball joint press works. So a little alcohol and water helps. I don't know, not a whole bunch, but hey, take anything. Let's see. Yeah, this one was a booger. This one took me a while to figure out, at least. Got that baby in there. Put it on there. Some makeshift bullshit. Make sure you drive it in quite a ways because it'll want to back out. Squeeze out. Probably good. Hopefully that saves somebody some time and some headache. Lose my mind over that one. There it is. Good. And like I said, the other ones go in fairly easy on the press. So you gotta kind of guide them and get a little pissed, but it works out.